Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Get your friends. Hello, family. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. It is April 12th, and I am back with an unboxing, a review, and to show you something new I got off of Amazon. Hope y'all fine. Hope that everything is going great. How was your Easter? Let me know. Are you surviving if you are a stay-at-home mom and dad? Because I know it is spring break somewhere. Leave it in the comments below. We're going to talk about it, family. So, I am back. I have been on TikTok. If y'all haven't been following, when I'm not here posting consecutively, I am on TikTok. But that's needless to say, I'm going to show you a new item that I got. I just bought this bag off of Amazon, and it doesn't really have that much room, and it does have a pocket in the back, but I got it because it's a cute, on-the-go, everyday lightweight bag if I don't want to carry a big bag. It is an investment right now. It is $160. The price keeps dropping. It keeps changing. But stay tuned because Mother's Day is coming. So I got some more jewels and gems for you ladies. Okay? And this review is on the poppy soda. It's in the watermelon flavor. And I tried it. I would rate it a 7.5. Is not bad. It is good. It is a better alternative than soda. And watermelon is not my thing, but I drunk it. And like I said, I give it a 7 out of 10. So I will be buying it some more. So as you see, I'm reviewing. Now to the unboxing part of the video. Look what came in the mail. Let's see what I got. So I think we have some more skincare products. Y'all know I am a skincare queen. Let's get into it. So they sent me Best Face Forward Cleanser. I can't wait to try that. They sent me a Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming Boost. I think this is another mask. I can't wait to try this. Yeah, we're going to have to try that one too. And I got the Tula Skincare So Smooth Resurface Brightening Fruit Mask. This is the packaging, which is very nice. But I'm going to let y'all see what it is. Y'all know I'm going to start trying this, right? Got to hide some stuff. And this is a face oil that is pear scented. Yeah, it's an oil. So let's see. I want to smell it because if it got any type of scent, it ain't going on my face. It don't have a smell, y'all. Don't have a smell. And this is High Pack Vitamin C Serum. Oh, I need this now. Like right now. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that smells good. Smells good. Oh, yes. So if you don't do Ipsy, I recommend you try it. It's so worth it. So I have been MIA. I have been missing. Um, but before we get into that, I did get up today and I took baby Micaiah to the park. So we had an outing and it was a very good day. Um, it's hot in New York, so that's why she got to go to the park. And I'm surviving spring break. If you didn't know, now you know. Ipsy and Boxy Charm. I don't know. I'm gonna try and see. But to the next subject, I've been missing in action because I've been battling some things. I do not like the views that I'm getting. If I'm gonna be honest, I do not want to keep putting out content that y'all do not like. I think that is a waste of my creative effort and me making y'all watch it. I can look at my analytics and see that y'all are not even watching my video completely through. I can look and see when you unsubscribe from me as well. And with being a content creator, you really do need thick, tough skin. And I have that because I haven't just up and abandoned this platform as of in given time. But at the same time and token, I really need y'all to let me know what content y'all like from me. I know y'all love the nails. I know y'all love the wigs. I know y'all love the rants and certain things. But just give me some ideas of what you want to see so I can give you genuine content to watch. Because I don't want to put out video after video and y'all don't like it. It's a waste of my time, effort, and energy. And it's a waste of me putting it out because you're not going to watch it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I am trying to do a video every day for the month of May. I am trying to get my subscribers up. So I would like your input on what videos you want to see from me. Stay blessed, not stressed. See you in the next one. Later, love.